Hello friends, my name is Harini Mathur from CITM Jaipur, and today we are discussing the topic arithmetic instruction of 8085 microprocessor. Earlier we have studied that there are many types of instruction. In total there are total 7 categories of instructions in 8085 microprocessor. We have already studied the data copy operation, which includes instructions like move, MVI, exchange, LHLD, STAX, STA, and so on. Now, the next category of instruction is arithmetic instruction. As the name suggests, what do you mean by arithmetic? Arithmetic means which is related to something addition, arithmetic operations, right? Like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and so on. But in 8085 microprocessor, we have only two type of instructions, that is addition and subtraction. We have no instructions like multiplication or division. Other than that, we have two more instructions in this category, that is increment and decrement. So in total, there are four instructions, that is addition, subtraction, increment and decrement. We will study one by one all these instructions. So let us start with the first instruction, that is addition. Now, it's a very simple instruction. Addition means to add something, right? To add some numbers, to add. But in microprocessor, there are two type of numbers. One is 8-bit number and one is 16-bit number. So what we will do, we will first add either two 8-bit numbers or we will add two 16-bit numbers. Okay. Now these two numbers will be stored in the registers or in the memory, or they can also be stored in the 8-bit data directly. Okay, so first is any 8-bit number or the content of register or the content of memory location can be added to the content of accumulator. Means we will take one register or one memory location and we will add that number with the accumulator. So there will be two numbers, that is one number is stored in accumulator and the other number will be stored in register or in memory. Now the final result which will come, that is the sum, that will always be stored in the accumulator. This is the most important condition of arithmetic instructions. That is, the answer which will come will always be stored in the accumulator. Also, one number will also be stored in the accumulator. So the two conditions are, while adding two numbers, the first number will be added or will be present in the accumulator and the second number may be present either in register or in memory, but the final result which will come will always be stored in the accumulator. No two other 8-bit registers or 16-bit registers can be added directly. We can't add two numbers stored in registers directly or two numbers stored in memory directly. We have to store one number in accumulator, and this is the most important condition of 8085 microprocessor addition instruction. Now let us understand this instruction with some examples. Now the example is, the content of register B cannot be added to the directly to the content of register C. That means we are taking two register B and C. If we want to add these two numbers directly, that is register B plus register C, we can't add them directly. Either we have to move the content of register B to accumulator, or we have to move the content of C to the accumulator. We have already studied in the data copy operation that how to copy one content to the another content if they are present in the register. Now, this is the first instruction in this category, that is add. ADD add. Now, add means to add. We can add either a register or a memory number plus register plus the content present in the accumulator, and the final result will be stored in the accumulator. So how this instruction will take place, or how this instruction will look like, what is a mnemonics? Now just look at the example. It is written add B or add am. Now first we move to add B and then we will go to add am. Add B means add is your main mnemonic, B is your operand. Add is your opcode, B is your operand. Now B is the name of register. We have taken here B. You can take register C, D, E, H, L. Now, what does this add B means? This add B means one content is present in register B. One content is present in register A. We are adding them and the answer is finally stored in register A. That is, it will look like add B means A plus B and the final answer will be stored in A. Just look at this table. This is opcode is at, operand is R or M. Means either you are taking the register or you are taking the memory. Add register or memory to the accumulator. So what does this mean? The content of register or memory are added to the content of accumulator. The result is stored in accumulator. Now these two things or these 2 points are common for both. But the third point only possible for the second type of instruction, that is add M. If the operand is memory location, its address is specified by HL pair, just like we are doing in the LXI instruction. Now, just look at the operations, how these operations are taking place. First, we are going to add the content of register and then we are going to add the content of memory. Left hand side is before operation, right hand side is after operation. Now, in before operation, in the case of register, we have taken AS04H, right? I have not written here H, but it is necessary that, and it is understood that it is, these numbers are always in hexadecimal, right? So in A is 04H, in register C given is 05H. Instruction will be performed how? What will be the mnemonic? Add C. So how it will take place? A equals to A plus C. Okay. So after operation, what will happen? We have A. Now A equals to A plus C will give you 04 plus 05. That is 09. Okay. Now this 09 will be stored in accumulator. Same is the instruction with addm, that is A plus memory. Memory is specified by 2050H and the data present is 10H. So the answer will be 4 plus 10, that is 14, and this 14 will again be stored in the accumulator. So this is the simple add instruction. Now we will move to the ADI instruction, right? So what do we mean by ADI instruction? This ADI instruction means that we are taking here immediate data. Okay, so ADI means A, that is your accumulator, plus 8-bit data, and again the answer will be stored in the accumulator. The 8-bit data is added to the content of accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator. Now one more thing, while performing the addition, subtraction or any arithmetic or logical instructions, the flag registers are always affected. How? We will study in the later options. Okay, so the instruction is, let us take some example. ADI 45H, that means any content which is present in accumulator plus your 8-bit data. What is your 8-bit data? 45H, and the answer will again be stored in your accumulator. So just take for example, we are assuming that in accumulator we are taking 02H. So 02H plus 45H, that will be 47H, and that 47H will be stored in the accumulator. Okay, so these are the two instructions which we have studied here. There are many more instructions in this category like ADCR, ADCM, DAD, that is double add, subtraction instructions, increment and decrement. We will study all these instructions in the other PPTs or in the next PPTs. Thank you.